Oh, some of the nigga them from the block. We must have a charge of them, you know. No, a dog them from a longer time, you know. They can't make them think the sheriff.
Where me no fear meds them. Orlando, me no like how them youth they look, you know. When me there, me never normally see them come while all of a sudden them start to come you know.
So yeah, so me not fi deal with my friend them. Me not fi talk to them.
I never say enough to deal with a friend them, but that look more than just friends. When they mother there, one of them come link you. I'ma sit on the camera. You need more go up the road. I'm take out a Kyle of money give you. What that for?
Oh, so you watch me on camera now. So you tell me, say you have me under surveillance.
So we don't normally watch about the camera them at night time. So I try to tell me say, if you stop watch about the camera them and don't gaslight me, where the Kyle of money for?
Sure, here we go on. Me invest in a 3 different bar over there. Just never say nothing to you. Cause I never know how you would deal with it.
Orlando, you invest in a 3 more bar and you never say it to me cause you don't know how me da react. What you mean? Me not understand. Tell me what you mean.
You don't know 3 hot bar with some topless girls, some naked girls and thing. I don't know how you would handle that. Worse, you don't have problem with Nettie already, you know?
Netty. So you gone in a 3 more business and you not tell me just because of Netty? Tell me say a joke you make.
So sure, you don't have problem with Nettie already.
Netty are the least of my problem. Netty have problem with me because she like you. Right now money dey on my mind. So I can't believe say you have 3 more business and you not tell me.
Sure. They plan for tell us still. But we just never ready for tell you yet.
I want to ask you something. I work for you or we are business partner? Let me know.
How can I eat that? But sure, we're not business partner, we not done talk about that already.
But you not go like say we are business partner. You invest in a 3 others business. And you don't make me know nothing. But I just feel like a worker.
So me not just say me not ready for say it to you yet.
Orlando, you say we are business partner, right? As if I'm the one, when you do one contract, I will go sign to it. Cause more know what me I get from this. And you see with you now, something I go on with you know, but you just not tell me.
So the fact say me hear you there. I'm gonna make you a part of the business. That not good enough.
No, you know. The way all you a move, tomorrow morning when I wake up, I have to be a part of the business again. So Orlando, tell me something. You know what the two you them will get dash over valley?
Valley me living no sure. So me no must see how I go on.
So, you know what cause it?
No know, you know. Right now, different people I say do different things.
Yes, one of them missing. You don't know about that neither.
So if you missing, what you expect me to know about that?
My ear says something going over 21. And oh my ear look like we're gonna start. So you know about that?
Sure. You know TVJ or CVM, you know. So me I gonna know about them things.
So all you don't know about that, you know about everything else.
Yeah, I make me feel like it's an interview this. Too much question you ask. Nah, I mean it, yeah. Yo, my dog. Hold on. Yo, hold on. Make it. Sure, you make it, man.
Remember when I tell you about the contract? I'm serious here.
But you was a mother.
You hear anything more from German yet? As soon as you do, let me know. Alright, so tomorrow, we need you to go over 21. We need you to check if there was any cameras around, right where the incident happened, yeah. Make sure you walk with the device when Mr. Mullins gave. You will know what to do. And be careful. Alright.
Ashley,
No,
tell me nothing about Cast Party.
cause,
Last year.
nothing much never happened.
I still want to hear what going on.
Okay, so we did have pool, rock climbing, something, and we did have one train. I'm only going to pool.
You say you not climb the rock?
No,
Yeah. So you say nothing never did it. That sound exciting though.
yeah, it did.
Yeah?
Yeah,
So you enjoy your swimming?
yeah. Daddy, you're not gonna make me go country this year.
Yeah, you have to go talk about that, you know. I'm not sure about that part, you know?
But I miss my family, them want to look for grandma.
Tomorrow I'm tell you if we can go country seeing.
Alright.
You sure you're alright? Ashley, wait then. Wait for me over there, say yeah? I'm forward.
Daddy, can I buy my motor?
Alright. Bartender. Malt Tower. Hot Dragon.